Okay, so let me show you guys a site that offers no credit check, bad credit friendly personal loans. So this is dollartradelines.com. Please visit the links in the description, but the domain is right here for you guys to type in. And they have a number for you guys to text, ask questions, place orders, whatever. So they have personal loans, business funding, cpns, Carvana approvals, trade lines, primaries. They pretty much have every service you need, okay? So let's go over the personal loans. So there's no credit check. So the only downside is you have to pay for a service charge to get approved. And the lowest one they have is a 5K loan. But I recommend you guys get a higher one because you can't get another loan until you pay the full balance, okay? So I recommend getting like a 10K or 50K loan through Dollar Trade Lines. And you guys can just text the number and send them the credit information, account routing number. And if you guys want to be flexible, you guys can pay up to 72 months. You guys can stretch the loan as much as you want. Different payment options is on the site. But yeah, you guys can get, loans up to 150K. If you guys want a business loan, you could get one up to $1 million, but there is a service charge. And the cpns, you guys can also get approved for apartment, get, credit cards. You guys can also transfer trade lines to another profile. So if you guys are using a CPN, you can transfer trade lines to other CPNs. But this also removes the negatives as well. So if you guys have a bankruptcy or a repo, you could transfer that over to a CPN or another profile, But they do have other primaries that can help you get approved for a loan. But I don't recommend going on to these other loan sites because they're gonna be really strict. They're gonna deny you if you guys don't have a solid credit score. One collection, too many negatives, instant denied, okay? And these guys are really strict, especially in 2026. It's hard to get approved. That's why I recommend everyone go through Dollar Trade Lines and get the personal loan right here. Or you could also get one from dollartradeline.com. They have instant loans as well. And I'll leave the links in the description. But they do have ones up to 200K, which is way more than Dollar Trade Lines. But feel free to reach out to the companies for questions. But these are instant deposits, so you could put in your credit information, account routing number. Once you guys make the payment and send them the information, you guys should see the funds within a couple hours. So that'll be pretty much it, guys. Visit Dollar Trade Lines for personal loans, no credit checks, bad credit friendly, and CPN friendly.